How to change the background color of any section in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go and get to it. First, just go to your online store, themes, and open up the theme editor by clicking on edit theme. From here, you first want to set up the actual colors that you want to be applying, and then you want to basically apply them to each section individually. So you want to set up the colors by going to the settings tab on the top left corner, which should say theme settings. Go ahead and click on that and you should be able to find colors. Now for your theme, it may say something else, but you should be able to find something about colors or schemes. So just go ahead and locate that and open it up. For me, I have a bunch of schemes that I can be using, or I can feel free to create a whole new scheme. So I'm just going to do that for the sake of this video. Add scheme. And you can just go in and change the background color of the scheme, the text color, everything that you need is going to be in here. So I'm just going to make it dark gray. And you have the primary buttons that you can play around with, the secondary ones, which are pretty much just, you always have two different options when it comes to buttons, either the primary one or secondary one when it comes to looks. And then you also have more stuff here that you can adjust. So take your time, go through them. And then once you have your schemes ready to go, you can actually go ahead and start applying them to sections. So we wanted to just go to the sections option. And let's say first we want to apply it to the header here. Let's say we want to change the color of the header. We simply click on it and we should be able to scroll down and find the option to change the scheme for it. So we can actually find colors, default. I'm just going to select scheme 8, which is the one we have created. And as you can see now, it changed for us. Same goes for any other section, by the way. So if we just close out of the header, go to the hero section, we can just go and toggle activate inspector here, which is going to allow us to click on the section, find it right away. And again, just find the color scheme, change it to whatever you like. And it's basically just going to change for you. Same goes for the footer. You simply click on it and select the scheme that you like. So this is pretty much how to apply different colors to different sections on Shopify. It could work with any section. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.